Hey lovies! So we're back with another video. You guys might not be able to hear me good because I don't have my mic plugged up right now onto the camera. It's upstairs. I don't really feel like getting it. I was in the middle of doing my toes. You'll see like a short clip of that, and then you'll see the end results. I'm not like gonna vlog the whole entire nail or do a video on that. I was, but I'm not going to. So this video is a maintenance video, so come get ready with me for Jamaica. The first thing we gotta do is I have to take this hair out literally now because I have an appointment tomorrow to get my hair braided. I have to wash my hair and blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna finish my toes tomorrow. I already have the acrylic on them. I shaped them. They're looking good. They look cute. I'll walk you through of what I am going to begin getting done or like doing to myself. So tomorrow I have my hair. The day after that, I don't have anything. Wednesday I have an eyebrow appointment, so I'm getting my eyebrows started and tinted. Thursday I'm getting my lashes done. Damn. Tuesday I'm probably gonna be doing my nails, and then tomorrow, which is Monday, I'm gonna finish up my toenails. I'm just gonna do Frenchies, but they're gonna be cute Frenchies, so I'm gonna do that. And then Friday, I don't think I have anything going on Friday. Oh, I gotta get a wax, but I'm on my monthly friend right now, so I can't even book my wax appointment just yet. I need to see when she's gonna finish, so I gotta do that. I'll probably get a wax done Friday. Friday I have an appointment to go to in the morning, but it's nothing to do with maintenance, so I'm just kind of planning out that day. Busy day, and then we're leaving Saturday, so I'll catch you guys when I am done with my hair. You guys will probably see me in the morning, so let's get this video started.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Got this piece out, and I have my whole head to go. How's that? Hey guys, so as you can see, I finally got the weave all of my extensions out. I washed my hair. It has conditioner in it, so I'm gonna wash that out in probably the next like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then I have to blow dry it tonight too. It's already like 10:30, so long night for me. And my appointment is at 9:30 in the morning, and she's an hour away, so I gotta wake up early tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. You'll see me before I head in for my appointment, and I will try to get some footage inside if I can. If not, you guys will definitely see the end results. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, good morning. It is the morning of my hair appointment, running like 8 minutes late. It's terrible weather outside, as you can see. So I had to update y'all now because I literally have no time to update y'all like when I actually pull up to her place. So I had to update you guys now. while I'm driving. So, as you can see, I blow dried my hair. It was more flatter last night, like when I blow dried it. I fell asleep and kind of like my roots. It feels like my roots. It looks like my roots just right the fuck back up. But so make sure I'm going right way. Yeah. So we're gonna go get my hair done, and I will either see you guys in there or I will see you guys after. Either one. I'm sorry that it's blurry. I don't have the time to keep looking at the camera and like trying to focus it. Shit is annoying. So it is what it is. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me.
Hey guys, so as you can see, I got my hair done. I got a little bit of footage when she had walked away. It's very hard to ask people, hey, can I film? Because I don't know how they feel about it. So, this is my hair. I have a better video that I recorded on my phone, but the lighting in here is kind of shit. You already know that unless I turn this on. Let's turn this on. Turn this off. So this is my hair. Alright. This is my hair. Don't mind my pants. They are wet. If you get braids done, you know why they're wet. So. It goes way past my butt and I didn't realize that. But it's fine because I don't really care. She did my edges really good. Though they're already lifting, but as expected. That's fine. But the hair looks super good. Like, she's like really good at her work. I got Bohemian braids, so the ends are curly as well. Overall, love my hair. Okay. So yeah, this is my hair. So yeah. So I had a 30-inch bust down with a weave before. Now I have a 30-inch bust down, probably longer than 30-inch braid down. So this is my 30-inch braid down. Like, I'm too short to even show y'all, but it definitely goes way past my butt. Word. So, that's it for today. I just got my hair done. Tomorrow, I don't have anything being done to me. Wednesday, I'm getting my brows done. Thursday, I'm getting my lashes done. And I'm gonna try to do my nails, like, maybe tomorrow night or, maybe Wednesday night into Thursday morning. No, actually, probably tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. So, yeah. Yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow with the reveal of my nails and a little bit of a process of my nails. So I will see you guys later. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day now. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I have work at 12, so I'm gonna just get started on my nails and get as far as I can by like 11. It's (9:07) right now, so let's get started.
On the road, right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in a
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I did not record before I went into my brow appointment. As y'all can see, my brows look real good. She always do a good job. So this is how they look. Don't mind me, my hand's in the way because I'm driving, and I'm recording on my phone right now, so that's amazing. So got my brows done, finished my nails. You guys will see a clip of that probably like before they look really cute, super cute. I literally finished them right before I headed to her. Like literally was 3 minutes late to her because I had to finish these because I'm leaving Saturday and it's Wednesday. I don't got no time. Like, I have a lot of stuff to do. I still have to pack, and I'm debating on if I should do like a pack with me for my vacation video. Oh my god, why is my hair out right there? I'm trying to savor the curls. Y'all already seen how my hair look. Trying to make it last. I have not taken off my bonnet. I went to work in my bonnet. I'm going everywhere in my bonnet. I don't care until I leave. Yeah, so today I don't really think I'm done because I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to go to work. I have to what I gotta do, I have to finish my toes because I never finished my toes. Started them on Sunday and like never finished them, so I gotta finish that. I probably will do that tonight. I gotta finish my mom's nails. I started them last night and I never finished them. Anyway, so that's all I have to do. I have a lot of stuff to do, so I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm getting my lashes done tomorrow after work, and then after that I will be finito for like getting ready, I believe. So I still have to set an appointment for my wax. I'm finally off of my friend, so I just don't even know when I'm gonna have the time to do that, so I'll figure it out. Hopefully I can get it done because I need to get it done. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, or you guys will see a clip of my toenails tonight. All right, bye.
I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside.
Hey guys, so I just pulled up to my lash appointment, and I'll probably record a little bit in there because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna record a little bit in there, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it of the end, you know. Certain things just started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Hey guys, so I am on my way to my wax appointment. As you guys see, I got my lashes done. They came out mad cute. Hey, why does my hand look like that? Yeah, my lashes came out mad cute. I love them. So I had to record now because again, I am not like, I'm running like just on time, so but I won't have time to film before actually going inside. So I'm recording and driving. So I will see you guys when I'm done with my wax appointment. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, I am all set with getting ready for my vacay, and right now I am on my vacay. We got the beach over there, we got a pool down there. These apartments are super nice. I'm gonna do a little vlog and then you guys will definitely see how the apartment looks, but I want to tell you guys thank you so much for watching, and I'll probably import a better video when I'm like looking cute and shit, so you guys can really see the final results, because right now you can see the final results, but like I gotta wash my lashes. It's been like 3 days. I think I got my lashes done Thursday. It's Sunday, so I'm gonna wash my lashes. They're gonna look like so much more fuller again. They're gonna look like when I first originally got them done. I gotta like do my edges and shit like that. So I'll be back. You guys are gonna see the final results. Hey guys, so this is the final product. Lashes, eyebrows, hair. Hair looks good, everything looks great. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned to my upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what you guys actually want to see next on my channel. I think I hear my mom. She up there. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in my next video.